It has become imperative to highlight the disturbing pattern of harassment, unlawful arrest, and the kidnap of chieftains of the Edo State chapter of the People's Democratic Party across the 3 senatorial districts of the state by some policemen suspected to be from the Intelligence Response Team, IROT, in Abuja. These policemen are said to be deployed by one DC, Sanusi Mohammed, of the IROT Force Headquarters in Abuja. Another police officer, a deputy commissioner of police by the name Patrick Ejedawe, from Uromi, Edo State, popularly called Citadel, is also said to be in active connivance with these unauthorized police officers to carry out these dastardly acts in Edo State. These policemen have, since the onset of their sinister operations, arrested some of our party members, including Mr. Amos Tom, a PUOB staff. They also arrested one Kingsley Osaon, the councillor representing Ward 10 in Esan Northeast local government area. We are also aware that they have compiled a list of prominent PDP chieftains from across the state's 3 senatorial districts and even procured fake court warrants of arrest with names of PDP members whom they plan to abduct to weaken the PDP ahead of the forthcoming gubernatorial election scheduled for the 21st of September 2024. Among the names, but not limited to these people, on that list include Chief Odin Olaye, one of our leaders from a local government, Chief Francis ENDBADGOVERNMENTIN, who, until he resigned from the APC, was the vice chairman of the APC in Edo Central Senatorial District. Just 2 days before his official decamping to PDP, they added his name to the list. Chief Babatunde Olukoga, Mr. Festus Osagbobo, who is the DG of the Edo State Liaison of Abuja, Dr. Kelly ENDBADGIN, who is the current chairman of Eastern Northeast local government area, amongst others whose identities we are yet to confirm.